Hello ma'am and hello everyone. Kamusta? Maayong adlaw kaninyo. Today, I'm going to discuss how I implemented my final project in ComSci 206. In the instruction, we have to select only one TBMS as we identified in our last assignment number 3. So here is my assignment, DBMS number 3, Money Lending Database or Loans Database. The chosen DBMS can be implemented through web-based application using PHP, Apache, and of course, MySQL. So here now is my entity relationship diagram or ERD for the database Loans DB. So I created this diagram through this online tool for creating diagrams like this, the lucidchart.com. So, as we can see, we have 5 entities here: the borrower, loan, the payment, and scheduled payment. Or I mean 4 entities here. Alright, so let's proceed. Representing entities and relationships. So here are my representing entities with the corresponding attributes: the borrower ID, last name, first name, gender, address. For the loan entities, loan ID, amount, rate, number of payments, date loaned. For the payment, payment ID, loan ID, date released, time released, and the status. For the entity scheduled payment, payment ID, amount, date of payment, time of payment. And here is my representing relationships. Alright, so let's proceed to the another instruction. My second normalized form, the 2NF loans for loans database. Okay, so let's proceed to our next instruction to write down the SQL queries of the following. Create the main database, create tables, create new entries for all tables, update entries for all tables, delete entries for all tables, useful commands for searching. Okay, so let's open our MySQL through this terminal. Okay, so I have already created some SQL queries for us to manipulate our database. So let's first create our loan DB database. So create database loan DB. Okay, show databases. Okay, so it's here now. Okay, so let's use the database loan DB. Okay, so let's create the 5 entities. So let's just copy and paste. Copy and paste. This is for the loan entity. For the payment entity, for the scheduled payment entity. Alright, so to check if all the entities have created or has been created, then let's use this command show tables. So we have created 5 entities. Now the next instruction is to create new entries for all the tables. So I have already created SQL queries for this, for the inserting of new records. This is for the borrower. The next is for the borrower details. Next is for the loan details, I mean the loan table. This one is for the payment table. This one is for the scheduled payment. And the next is to create or update entries for all tables. So this is for the update entry for the borrower table. Next is for the borrower details. Next is for the loan. Next is for the payment. Okay. And last, the scheduled payment. All right. So now the next instruction is to delete entries for all the tables. But then we have to skip that first and we proceed to the next instruction, which is the useful commands for searching. So here are my SQL queries for useful commands for searching. All right. So after that, we have to delete all the entries for all the tables. While we can use the delete function or command, I have chosen this drop command for deleting all the tables in our database. All right. So let's check if we still have tables or entities in our database. So show tables. So we don't have tables now in our database. I guess that's all, and thank you very much.